Welcome to DocTracer, the public document portal of DepEd Island Garden City of Samal. It is for clients, schools, partner agencies, and community members who need to submit documents and check their status without calling the office every 5 minutes. To access the site, open your browser and go to https://tracer.depedsamalcity.org. Big link, tiny effort. From there, choose Document Log to submit a document or track when you already have a code. Choose Document Log, then enter a clear title and description. Select the document type that best matches the submission and add a reference number if one is available. Next, choose the client type and add the client name. If the submission comes from an organization, enter the organization name. Keep the contact field brief and useful for follow-up. Nobody enjoys mystery contact details later. Before sending the form, review the data privacy statement, tick the agreement box, and complete reCAPTCHA. Then click Create Document. DocTracer confirms the submission and shows the tracking code. Save this code exactly as shown. The QR code on the page carries the same tracking information. Use the receipt actions before sending the document. You can print the receipt, download a receipt image, or download a QR image that includes the tracking code. To check the status later, open Track and type the tracking code from the receipt. Complete reCAPTCHA, then click Search. Nice and direct. The result page shows the current status, location, document type, reference number, dates, and movement history that clients are allowed to see. After choosing Scan QR with device camera, DocTracer opens the scanner. Point the camera at the QR code on the receipt. When DocTracer recognizes the code, it opens the same tracking result. That is the client workflow. Log the document, keep the tracking code and QR receipt, and use DocTracer anytime you need to check the public status. Paperwork still exists, but at least the tracking part is easy.